Today we're going to learn how to make a flip book. We're going to need 5 pieces of paper, a stapler, tape, a pen, pencil, an eraser, scissors, and a ruler. First, you are going to fold your paper widthwise, like a hot dog. Then you are going to flatten the edges with your hand or with a ruler, and then you are going to unfold it. Then you're going to fold your paper lengthwise like a hamburger. And once again, you're going to flatten those edges with your hand or with the ruler. And you're going to fold it one more time widthwise, again like a hot dog. And be sure to flatten those edges with your hand or a ruler. And unfold. And you should have 8 rectangles. Now with your scissors, you're going to cut out each rectangle. Then you're going to repeat this process 4 other times with your other paper. Now once you have all your pieces cut, you're going to stack them into one pile evenly. And it should... Now you can flip through the pages. Now using a stapler, you're going to staple twice on the front and back on one side of your stack. And it might be tough, so you might need to press down a bit. Then you're going to use tape and you're going to wrap around at the stapled side. So that way you have a nice bind. Using a pencil, draw a circle on the front of your flip book. Next, draw the same circle on the next page, but a little bit higher. And repeat. You can then use your pen to outline your circle so that it stands out. Come up with an idea about what your circle can become. When you're done, begin flipping to see your jarring move. It might take a few times to get it right.